Hey everyone, welcome back to PMLearn. Have you ever poured weeks, months, or even millions of dollars into a project only to realize at the very end that what you built isn't actually what the user wanted? It's painful, it's expensive, and unfortunately, it happens all the time in traditional projects. But what if there was a way to start delivering real tangible business value to your customers from week one? Today, we are diving deep into a game changing agile concept called value driven delivery. We will break down exactly how modern Scrum teams prioritize their work, mitigate extreme uncertainty, and make business stakeholders absolutely fall in love with their execution. Let's get started. Before we talk about execution, we need to talk about mindset. To successful delivery value, we must first change how we define project success. Let's look at the core principles that driven value delivery. According to the Scrum framework, a project isn't just a list of tasks. It is a collaborative enterprise designed to create new products or services that deliver clear business value. Think about it like this. If you build an incredible complex mobile app with 50 features on time and under budget, but no one uses it, did the project succeed? In the traditional world, yes. In the agile world, absolutely not, because zero value was delivered. We also have to face a harsh truth: uncertainty. It is impossible to generate 100% success for any project at its launch. To combat this uncertainty, Scrum focuses on delivering working results as early as possible. Real world example: imagine you are opening a new online bakery. Instead of spending 6 months building a massive full automated website with a custom loyalty program, subscription boxes, and catering portals, you start by launching a simple one-page site where users can order your top 3 best-selling cakes. By doing this, you start making revenue and getting customer feedback in week 1. That is value-driven delivery. So, how do we partially achieve this? Scrum relies on 3 major operational pillars. First, understand and prioritize. You must work with customers to understand what truly adds value to them. Once identified, those high value items are placed right at the very top of a prioritized product backlog. Pillar 2, adopt and manage risk. Uncertainty is a value killer. Negative risks are essentially anti-value. Scrum manages this by showing working products increments to stakeholders at the end of every single sprint. This allows you to address risk and make changes dynamically. Pillar 3, release fast. By producing potentially shippable product increment during each sprint, you allow customer to realize value early in the life cycle. They don't have to wait for the entire machine to be built to start using its part. Let's look at this comparison table to contrast Scrum with traditional waterfall models. In traditional projects, requirements are frozen at the beginning and changes are heavily discouraged because they require painful formal paperwork. Even worse, the customer doesn't see a single thing until the very end. In Scrum, we flip that. Requirements are prioritized dynamically based on business value. If the market changes, the product owner can reprioritize the backlog at the end of any sprint. As a result, risks are minimized and value start flowing immediately. Think of waterfall like building a bridge. You can't use it until the final brick is laid. Think of Scrum like building a subway system. You can open the first line and start carrying passengers while you are still constructing the other lines. Now, who is responsible for ensuring this business justification and value delivery happens? Scrum breaks this down into clear hierarchical roles. At the portfolio level, the portfolio product owner is responsible for delivering value across the entire enterprise, creating macro business justifications and guiding programs. At the program level, the program product owner delivers value across a family of related products and approves justifications for individual projects. At the project level, the product owner is the ultimate champion of value. They build the project level businesses justification, manage the backlog, and confirm to business stakeholders benefits are actually being realized. While the product owner has the ultimate responsibility, they don't work in a vacuum. Other Scrum roles are vital to this ecosystem. The sponsor. They provide the funding and continuously monitor the project to ensure a clear return on investment. Customers and users. They are actively involved in writing user stories and validating the deliverables during sprint reviews. The Scrum guidance body. This group provides the standard metrics and templates to help teams measure and justify business value consistently. Finally, we have the engineers of execution, the Scrum Master and the Scrum team. The Scrum Master is the ultimate facilitator. They protect the team, manage operational risk, and run ceremonies like daily stand-ups and sprint retrospectives to make sure impediments are cleared and benefits are realized. The Scrum team is responsible for building the actual deliverables. They are not just coders or builders, they help define user stories, estimate efforts, manage technical risk, and submit creative changes requests to optimize the product. So, there you have it. Value driven delivery is all about focusing on outcomes over outputs. By prioritizing what matters, managing risk early, and realizing continuously, you protect your business. Please your stakeholders and build products your users will actually love. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever worked on a project where value was only delivered at a very end? How did it go? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and share this with your team. This is PMLearn and we will see you in the next video.